This is the shower head that I'm trying to replace because there's a crack in the shower head right here. And so I ordered this Cobbe one, and this is what I received. And I was like, well, where are the beads at? Because I thought I'd be able to see them, the filter beads. And so inside of this pipe or whatever is this little cartridge. I can hear there's beads in there probably, but it's almost like gravel. It is not even close actually to the size of this one here. This one I think is the authentic one, the original one, and this one is some cheap, like, I don't even know how you're supposed to replace the beads. There's no way to open this up. So I am returning it. I can't even see them in there. I don't know how this is supposed to work if there's no filter beads. There might be a couple in there, but who knows what they even look like because you can't see them.
Something is very wrong. What is happening?